Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing clock. Now click on alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then set up an hour and choose ring once or custom. Then if you want to choose custom, select repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Now tap on the back button, choose alarm name over here, I will go with work. Go back, click on ringtone, and now you can select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also click on select from files and pick music from your smartphone by tapping it and going back as well. I will go with weather adaptive though, so I have to click on it, go back and tap on the switchers next to vibrate and snooze to enable or disable those features. When you're ready, click on the check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and selecting one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way, but you can also click on edit at the top left corner. Select one of your alarms and delete it by choosing pin icon at the bottom, then confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can also click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust all of those alarm clock settings, like for example ring duration, by tapping on the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!